Hi friends, this is Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. This is another meal prep video where I make lunches or snacks that we take along with us to work or eat at home when we are working from home. This week I'm making egg salad, pancakes and some fruits SOBOLO drink as well. I hope you like it. I started with my SOBOLO. So for the SOBOLO, I have some grains of paradise. In Ghana, we call it a strovisa and a fromrisa for the red and the black ones. And I also have some cloves and my SOBOLO leaves as well. So I started by soaking my spices in some water. I also soaked the BISSAP flowers or leaves in water as well. And then after about 20 minutes I transferred into my saucepan. I crushed my spices in this blender or grinder. I didn't want to make it into a powder. I just crushed it so that it will be easier for me when I'm straining. So as you can see at the bottom is just crushed, and so I'm adding that to my SOBOLO. Next I poured my SOBOLO into my saucepan, added some water to it, and then I put it on the cooktop to boil. Next was my pancake. Here I have 3 cups of flour, 3 medium-sized eggs, a cup of sugar, 1 medium-sized nutmeg, about half teaspoon of salt. I'll be using a teaspoon of essence, vanilla essence, and 1 liter of milk. This is just half of the milk. I'll be adding the other half later. So I created a well in the middle of the flour, added my eggs, and then I poured the milk in bits whilst I stirred the mixture. This is to prevent the mixture from forming lumps. And so you add the milk as and when the mixture is getting too thick. So I'm stirring in the flour, the eggs and the milk, and I'm adding the milk in bits as you can see in the video. This is just half of the milk. I'll be adding the other half as I stir. So here is the other half. That makes it 1 liter in all. So I keep adding the milk gradually until my mixture is formed. It's perfect, no lumps, and so I'm adding the remaining milk to it. I'm also adding my cup of sugar, the vanilla essence, the salt, and then I also grated in my nutmeg. So my pancake mixture is ready, very simple. It's time for me to fry. When frying your pancake, you baste the bottom of the pan with just a little bit of oil, and then when the pan gets hot, you fetch about 1 ladle of the pancake mixture, spread it in the frying pan so that it's thin, and then you flip it after about 30 seconds. You flip it and then you allow the other side to also cook for about 30 seconds, and your pancake is ready. So now my pancake is ready. I'm going to put that down and then work on my egg salad. For my egg salad, I boiled crate of eggs, so that's 15 eggs in all. I crushed it. You can also just use a knife to dice it if you want. Added my favorite mayonnaise. You can add a bit of salt, black pepper. You can also add some onions to the mixture and your egg salad is good to go. But I am adding some extra veggies to my egg salad, so I have here some lettuce, carrots, onions and cucumber, which I cut nicely and ready to assemble for my egg salad. My sobolo is ready. It's been boiling for about 5 minutes now, so I'm going to take it off the fire and allow it to cool down a little bit, and then I strained it. At this stage, the sobolo is still a bit warm. It's still a bit warm, and so I'm going to add my sugar so that the sugar can quickly dissolve in the sobolo. The amount of sugar you put in your sobolo is totally up to you. It depends on how sweet you want your drink to be. You can substitute the sugar with some honey or other forms of sweetness if you wish, but then I like to add a regular white sugar to it. So I'm putting my sobolo in these glass bottles, which I got from the shop called Banana. Banana can be found at the Nungwa Junction Mall and the Palace Mall on the Spintex Road. So my sobolo is ready and it's time for me to put my egg salad together. I'm just arranging my vegetables in my glass bowls, just arranging them for it to look very attractive. It's no formula of arranging veggies here. So I first of all put the lettuce at the bottom. I topped it up with some cucumber and then a bit of lettuce again. Added my carrots, onions, and then I garnished it with the tomatoes. Next, I added my egg salad, which has been sitting in the refrigerator for some time now. I just scooped some portion into each of the glass bowls. I had some leftover which I kept in the refrigerator. So this egg salad will last us just 2 days, one for my husband and one for myself for 2 days. Next is to also put the pancakes into my glass bowls. So I did that and then I garnished it with some lemon. When it's time to eat the pancakes, we'll squeeze the lemon onto the pancakes and drizzle a bit of honey onto it. For fruits for this week, I'm just taking some red grapes and tangerines, and so I just portioned that into our glass bowls and plastic Tupperware bowls for the week. In addition to the fruits, I also bought pineapple and orange fresh fruit juice, which I often get from a restaurant called Agbamame. Agbamame is a Comty 2. It's very popular for local foods and they also make very fresh fruit juices. So once in a while I just go there, pass by and grab a bottle of fresh fruit juice for my family for the week. And so I'm using these small glass bottles to just portion out my fruit juice. So now everything is ready for the week. My egg salad to last us 2 days. I also have the pancakes to last us for 3 days, and so all 5 days of the week has been taken care of. My SOBOLO is also ready, and my fresh fruit drinks as well as my fruits. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it too. Click the like button if you did. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell to be prompted anytime I upload a video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.